Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share these products with you today. The first one is by a huge popular request, and so I knew I had to do it right away, but it is our basketball background. So if you have anyone in your life that loves basketball, plays basketball, watches basketball, you're going to need this background. And when you see the samples, you'll really feel like you need it. The next thing I have is another request by our design team member, Michelle. Michelle asked me if I was ever going to make the little peeps a fold it because she wanted to make some cute felt pieces. And I said, I could probably do that. So the first one, and yes, she does come with clothes. She looks a little bare right now, but she does come with a dress. So I'm going to cover her up so we stay modest. But this is our little peeps, Kirsten. And when she is all dressed, I will show you the real version of Kirsten. Look how adorable she is. She is mini slimline in size. And sometimes people will say, well, why did you do mini slimline instead of A2? Well, if I would have done A2, she would have been a lot this and a lot this. So in order to keep her proportions normal, she is a mini slimline. Trust me on that one. I tried. But mini slimlines are just as good, so adorable. And I have more samples. Now, another item we're releasing, we've already released two. We did the fall ones. We did the scarecrow and the web. Well, look at these. These are tulips and hearts. And let me show you, what are these? These are drop-in dies. Now you're getting two circles also. So it comes with a larger circle and the drop-in die. So if you want it die cut, you can just die cut it just like this, right? You could die cut it just like that. Make a cute little ornament if you wanted to. So isn't that adorable? Or if you die cut it without the circle on the inside, it stays in the card or in the box, which is so fun because then you can do different things with it. Now, I also, a while back, I took a whole bunch of circles like this on HSN, and I used a pillow box and a new circle flip it. Same idea. These are a little bit bigger than those, but it's the same idea of the drop-in. Now let's look at a couple other samples that I have. Oh, and here's another heart one, which is just so pretty, right? And then here's those tulips, which I just love that. Aren't they gorgeous? They're so cute. Hello, spring. So fun. Now let's look at some basketball samples. So here we go. Happy birthday. Isn't that awesome? I love that one. This is with the MVP stamp set and the varsity alphabet and numbers. Isn't that cute? You're a superstar. Ooh, or you could do it vertical, horizontal or vertical. The choice is yours. This one says you're a basketball superstar. Ooh, this one has our big thanks on it. Thanks, my friend. So cute. I absolutely love that. Now, hang on. I just want to see. Yeah. So then we have reach for the stars. And look how cute those basketballs are on there. I love that. Oh, now let's look at Kirsten's. So here is a Kirsten cheerleader. Now, any little person you have in your life, could be grandkid, nieces and nephews, child, whatever. Perfect, right? Now you're saying, well, I have boys in my life. Well, I do too. Don't worry. They are coming. But here we're starting with Kirsten because in my life, Kirsten's the oldest. Also, this is Kirsten named after the Zip and Go from the organized option, the Kirsten Zip and Go. Same Kirsten. There we go. Here we go. Here's another one. Look how cute. Now, oh, and here it is on a mini slimline. So you can see it is the mini slimline size. And here you go. I just want you to see how well you can mix and match the skin tones. You can make them darker. You can make them lighter, different color hair. You can have them match the person in your life. Isn't that awesome? Now, let me tell you a little secret. The first 24 hours, these items are on our website. They're on flash sale. That means for the first 24 hours or until sold out, you get an extra special price. Now, if you're a club member, you get both discounts. So it's extra amazing. So go to our website, stampsoflife.com, check it out. And if you're not in one of our clubs, you need to join. Go to join the club and just watch that video. It explains everything about all of our amazing clubs. And you're not going to want to miss out because some of them you cannot buy unless you're in the club. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.